Hello guys, and welcome to the video. So today is going to be the last episode of this Audi A3 Black Edition. Firstly, we're going to have the rear spoiler painted, so please stay tuned for that. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube video. I am Abdul, thank you. Those who have been watching this series, following it, thank you very much. Those who are new to it, please like and subscribe and enjoy and watch the rest of the episode. So today I'm just going to the body shop to have the rear spoiler put on. It's been painted and it's been primed, and we're going to be putting it on, so please stay tuned. So guys, I've come today to my car body shop to get this spoiler put on. It's already been sprayed. This is Rob, the best Polish painter in the UK. He's painted this. Let's have a look at his work. Looks really good. There's no runs or nothing like that. Now, Rob, the best painter in Leicester, is going to put this on for us. So first we're just gonna be removing this.
That's closed.
One for left.
Is this fast bond? Quick bond?
This is middle.
Middle, yeah? What is the bond you use, Rob?
This is Tiger.
Tiger seal.
Yeah.
Yes.
Start ready.
So as you've seen through this series, guys, if you've not seen it, please go and watch it. I put in the engine and I swapped the timing chain, did the whole suspension more than I'd like. At the beginning I thought it's only going to be a few suspension track rod. Then I ended up swapping off camera as well both the rear suspension hubs. I swapped both of the front track rod ends. I swapped few of the little suspension bits and bobs more than I'd like. I didn't see it at first because all I cared about was getting the engine started, My breakdown of this vehicle, guys, my own personal breakdown of it is, this had my pants down. Literally, I should have gone to Audi and had one of their coffee and let them have my pants down. It was fun. It was fun doing it, but it was like, you know, at times I wanted to smash it apart as well, I'm not gonna lie. It's got like, you know, I'd say about the 95% everything's all done. There's a few little minor little things like a little glass that needs replacing and a few little odd little bits and bobs, but I've got it to a very good standard, I feel, and I've done it to the best that I could. So it's been a really nice car to do. Thank you guys for joining me on the journey with this car. It's all finished and complete now. Thank you again. On to the next one.